All right, guys. So I'm not the normal person doing this channel, but Chris come down here from Atlanta to do a video, and then he woke up late and ended up not making it in time. So I've hijacked his YouTube channel to make a video, just a short one. My dad's getting ready to pull the transmission out of the Chevelle. We're gonna put a clutch in it later on, but right now we're just gonna do a video of us pulling the transmission. He's getting actually underneath the car now, getting everything ready. We gotta prop the engine up, get the transmission propped up, and then of course we gotta get the cross member out, and then we're ready to drop the transmission pretty much. So stay tuned. So we've pretty much taken all the bolts loose from the cross member. There's 2 on each side, and then you've got the actual transmission mount. We're gonna try to slide it out through the exhaust right now. Got a jack underneath the transmission. Engine's propped up. Should be ready to come out. We're gonna see what we can do. All right, guys, so we run into a little issue with the exhaust. Cross member wouldn't quite come out like we wanted it to with the exhaust, so we got them dropped down. See if this helps us out any.
Problem I got now is the jack stick. And this fucking water. Turn it around.
Oh, we gotta fish it out of there. All right, cross member's out. Now take the transmission loose from the bell housing, and we should be ready for the transmission to come out. These Muncie 4-speeds have got some hellacious fucking rods for the gears.
Correction, it's a T10.
It's not a Muncie?
No,
Well, my bad, it's a T10.
Borgin 1 or T10.
Same thing though, right?
Pretty much.
That's what I was kind of thinking. That should be good. I wouldn't jack it up.
It looks all rusted.
So now we got the transmission out. Gotta get the bell housing, clutch, everything out. Take the bolts out of the engine. You know, a lot of people said that you could put that transmission down on your chest. I'm pretty sure my dad will value that you can't do that. And it's definitely not a one-person job.
Definitely.
Even though it is a lot smaller transmission than your normal cars, it's still freaking heavy. But yeah, we're gonna work on getting the rest of these bolts out in the bell housing, the clutch. Take a couple pictures for just to remember. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
What's that?
All right, so pretty much what we figured out, I mean, he's been having issues with the clutch before, slipping real bad on him. It's pretty bad. You can tell the clutch was definitely slipping. Got a couple hot spots in the flywheel here. Flywheel didn't really get most of the hot spots. This part did right here really bad. I mean, you can tell it's been slipping for a long time. But yeah, I think he's gonna go with a center force clutch, stage 2. He's probably gonna do a flywheel and all. Clutch. Not much meat left on that sucker. But yeah. It was fun. I appreciate y'all sticking in with us. It was cool to hijack Chris's YouTube channel for a little bit, and hopefully he actually sees this and edits it and does all the shit to it. But I appreciate y'all sticking around with us. We'll catch you later.
Soundstripe.